Today in the shop, we're going to be working on a Harley Davidson fender with the wicked red denim paint on it. Absolutely gorgeous. I love these denim paints, but as you can tell, they do not have a high gloss to them. They actually have a matte clear, which gives them this dull look. So we have to use products to simulate a clear coat while we're working on them. And this here is a spray called Quick Check by a company called Like 90. Gives us a temporary high gloss finish, which allows us to really see some detail while we're doing the repair. Another thing we'll do to simulate a clear coat is we will actually put packing tape over the dent, and this gloss black packing tape really gives a good reflection in our PDR light. So we have that set up, and we're working out the crease by reshaping it from within, pushing up all of the little low spots and tapping down any high spots until we've completely reversed the damage, leaving no evidence that the dent was ever there. If you'd like to reach out to us about having your bike repaired, you can find us at motorcycledents.com.